Hello everyone, in this video I'll show you how to select and delete blank cells in Google Sheet. Step 1. Select all sheets, then click Data tab, create a filter, click Clear, select only blanks, click OK, and select blanks cells. Right click on your mouse, delete selected rows, then click go to Data tab again, remove filter, see this, remove. And step 2, again apply the same process. Simply select to this data, go to click Data tab, create a filter, clear, apply the same process for single column, right click, select it. Thanks for watching video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel.